Hey guys, Mstoofine here. Welcome back to my channel. So yes, I know I look crazy, but that's because I'm going out. So you know, I wanted to come on camera and beat my face, since every time, literally, like when I do my makeup and it comes out great, I'm not going anywhere, and when I'm ready to go out, then I just go out looking natural as hell. So you know, I feel like I want to start looking extra when I'm going out. So I'm going to be recording this look. So if you guys want to see what, you know, or how I came about the look, because you would have seen the intro already, just keep on watching. So since I did like my whole foundation routine already, I'm just going to go straight into the eyes, and I did base my eyelids with a concealer. So I'm going to be going into Juvias Place Saharan palette, or the Saharan by Juvias, and I'm going to be picking up this shadow, and this will be my transition shadow. So let's go right into it. And I'm just going to do this really quickly. So now that I'm through blending out that color, I'm going to go in with this shadow, and I'll be applying this right into the crease area. So I'm just using the transition color, and I'm pulling it up a little bit above the crease area, you know, just to get the shadows blended together. So I'm going back in with the first brush, and I'm just smoothing out any harsh line. So after I'm through with that shade, I'm going to go in with this one, which is a deeper, it's like a deep brown. Yo, I told my friend, like, I came in so late, and then I had my hair to do, and that just took up all of my time. Like, I should have just gone with my short hair, and I would have been done. You know, I forgot that my hair color is not black, and so I hope I don't look crazy with this look. Okay, I probably look crazy now, but just give it some time. So the next shade I'll be going in with is this shadow. This color is so pretty. Oh my god. Going back in with the brown. So I'm going to go in with some mascara just before I put my lashes on. For my lashes, if you were on my live last Friday, then these are the lashes that I had on, and so I'm going to put them back on now. Yo, them look extremely long. They might look too crazy. Okay, I'm not going out in these, sorry. So for my lashes, I'll be using the Coca lashes in Goddess, so I'm going to quickly pop those on. So now that my lashes are on, I'm going to be going back into the Saharan palette, and I'll be using this shadow to just smoke out my lower lash line. So now that I'm through, I'm going to be quickly applying some mascara. So I'm now going to just be dusting away the powder. So I'm just going to be going over my contoured lines. I did contour before I come on camera to do my eyes, so because I just swept the powder away, I'm just going back in with the brush. So for my highlighter, you guys already know that it's the Face by Chanel Amber Glow. Yo, I haven't used a fan brush in a hot minute. And I'm just quickly applying this. So I'm now going to be spraying my face with Mario Badescu, and I'm just going to be pushing that into the skin. You know, I start using the setting spray just to let my face not look as powdery. And I'm going to go in with my blush brush just to remove any harsh line between my contour and my highlighter. So for the lips, I'm going to be lining it with a brown pencil. So now that my lips are lined, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. It's legit the only color I'll be applying to my lips. Okay, so now that my face is done, I'm going to quickly pop on my wig, and I do have a tutorial on how I color this hair, so let me go pop it on and then I'll come back on camera, and the link will be in the description box if you guys want to see. Yo, I'm gonna put on my wig and come back. So this is the finished look, and I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye babies.